Hello, this is Query Language video number 1 in course Google Sheets Basics. I will show you simple query. Select asterisk, which is like hello world in SQL, and another way of selecting all. Select column A, B, C, or select col1, col2, col3, and I'll show you why second way is way much cooler. Look at this simple table. Here I want to repeat it one time. I paste equals query. It shows me short tip which functions on Q and U I can select. Query is the first one, so I hit tab. So it is entered automatically. Then my data. Data is table AB, comma, and then I must enter some query. Query is a SQL language. Here you see description. The query to perform written on Google Visualization Query Language. You can see more info here to learn the whole language at once. And here we paste select and asterisk, which is the most simple thing we can do. Hit enter. And here you see the exact copy of this table. Another way is mentioning all columns. In our case, it is column A and column B. Hit enter and see the same result. Nothing changed. And the other way is column numbers. Let's look at col1, comma, col2. Hit enter. And what do we see now? Here we see common error. When you have error in your formula, you can just read about it. Select the cell and read error message. Unable to parse query string for function query parameter 2 column no column col1. You see, this is just because we selected AB, but AB is a range, and col1, col2 only works for arrays. To convert this range into array, just paste curly brackets and the address of our range will be inside these curly brackets. And now hit enter. Well, that's all, and then I promised you to say why this way is better. Why do we need column 1, column 2 instead of letters A and B? Let's see. Let's say this formula will be here, and we'll copy formula into column G, and here we'll make our columns A and B as usual. Hit enter, and what will we do now? I'll paste another column left side of my source table, and my formula. Select A and B must be broken now, because we are actually selecting columns B and C. But what do I see now? It doesn't break our formula, column A, but it is actually column B and column C. Let's hit something and hit enter again, and you see value. So it was just a glitch, some sort of glitch. Of course, you can't select column A and column B because there is no column A. Look, unable to parse string because no column A. So here is an error. But our old formula, select column 1 and select column 2, works perfectly without any changes inside the formula. Let's change something, hit enter, and it works. So this way is way more stable, and I recommend you to convert any ranges into arrays with these curly brackets and use select col1, col2 notation instead of selecting letters. There are also other possibilities which we can use when where we are defining columns like column 1 and column 2, but this will be later on some further videos, so see you soon. Goodbye.